Watch me work on some Grinch-inspired nails. I started with removing my last set. I ended up going with an XXL set. I went with this pink from Beatles for my base color. Let's start with the Grinch.
Let's see.
For the next nail, I'm going in with a layer of pink. After curing, I added a layer of white but did not cure. Here I mixed some clear acrylic powder with some glitter. I wish I had done his famous hate, loathe entirely phrase. For the next nail, I wanted to do a pink candy cane design.
Let's see.
Here is the final set. I hope y'all enjoyed this Watch Me Work video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Merry Grinchmas!